Delicious Pambazo. Let's go. Put 8 chili guajillos in a pot, cover with water, and heat up. When it comes to a boil, cut off the heat and cover and let it sit for 5 minutes. A quarter of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, 2 black peppercorns, 2 cloves crushed. Blend them all together with 3/4 cup of water. Strain your sauce till it's smooth. Pour your sauce in a pan with hot oil and lower the heat. Cook it to a thick consistency and season. Place it into a different container and cool for 5 to 8 minutes. The classic filling for a pambazo is our papas with chorizo, but you can use whatever you prefer. Now brush the top of your bread with the sauce. Now place your pambazo sauce side down on a hot skillet. Now brush on the other side and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. And flip it over when it's ready. When it's ready, we're going to add our toppings, which are shredded lettuce, cream, shredded cheese of your choice, and the salsa you prefer. And that's our delicious pambazos. Remember, everyone, buen provecho.